Holmes and I'm from Wildlife Hair Sydney, and I'd like to show you how to do a curtain fringe. So a great section pattern with a fringe is a triangular section. So from the middle part line, we just go straight to recession. It's really important to never add this bit of hair underneath the recession into a fringe. Otherwise there's too much space between the eyebrow. So just from the top to recession. So with this fringe, to create a soft layer, we're going to lift the fringe up from 90 from the round of the head, using the shortest bit from that guide that was down on the fringe as my guide, and all that will come off. So we're going to keep that center section a stationary guide. On each side, we'll just grab a diagonal section and pull it over into our new stationary guide. Now it's about refining that bottom edge, because remember, we've only done the baseline of the very center. So now it's about point cutting, refining, looking at the face shape and bringing out the beautiful cheekbones. So when blow drying a curtain fringe, I like to over direct the hair the opposite way it's going to sit. So that means from recession, we move this side that side and that side this way to create a more natural finish. A really soft curtain fringe just with natural straight all around it, but it allows the hair to just move, all those layers allow the hair to move really softly. To finish out the fringe, just let it move around. Those layers will allow movement in this soft fringe. What I tell a lot of my clients to do is pinch that middle bit and then get it, rub their eyebrows, so then it can give them that little bit of a part line in the middle, but they've still got good forehead coverage. So there's a really soft curtain fringe with layers. Stay and watch the next video if you can.